And for the Wi-Fi, you just download the you mean Smart Life. Then Smart Life, then you will download the Smart Life, then add the devices, and also add the devices. As also, I need to tell you, for this Wi-Fi, you need to download under the 2G or 4G. Do remember not to make under the 5G. 2G or 4G can be okay. Then this name will be it. You can see it and turn on. Wi-Fi can be okay for it. Color. You can say white color, purple color, blue color, green color, green, yellow, red, changing, orange, rose, and close. Also the temperature, time, turn off. It's very easy.